Caleb.
He's gonna kiss you. Be nice, Snickey. Snickey. Oh, Snickey doesn't know what to do. Snickey. Hi. Oh, Mom.
I don't want you, Mom.
Mom, let me go, Mom.
No,
Mom.
no.
Mom, please. It's foolish. I must run. I'm late. Oh, give him kisses. He's gonna give you kisses. He opens his mouth.
That's how he gives kisses.
Oh, how cute is that? Press the button.
Seriously, one time I was like,
Come on, press the button.
he licked my lips.
Come on, press the button. Thank you. It's so cute. Dance, dance. Oh, we're gonna get kisses. He's gonna give you kisses. Where you going? You're so good.
No, Caleb.
Oh. But I got on there earlier, Mom. He did.
No. Caleb, no.
Uh-oh. Mother got
No.
up. Ooh, I'll take your chair then. Nah. Take your bag off the trampoline, boo. He likes sitting on it. There you go. Look, buddy. No.
No. Get down. No.
He just laughs at you. Raspberries and laughs. Yeah, he takes you real serious. Oh,
Get
boo.
away from there.
But, Mom. Oh,
No.
goodness. Sit on the trampoline. Give kisses. Be nice, Nikki. Give kisses.
Give him kisses,
Yeah, look, there's the trampoline. Yay, I like it.